Bias in real-world data. Artificial intelligence collects data and learns from the real world. Based on those observations, it draws conclusions and plans accordingly for similar situations in the future. The problem here is that the real world, with all its irregularities and confusion, is not a very ideal environment to take inspiration from. The data collected by the AI systems from the real world is full of bias. Real world is full of bias, therefore, the data collected by the AI systems from the real world is also full of bias. For example, a computer system trained on the data for the last 200 years might observe that more females were involved in specific jobs or that more percentage of successful businesses were established by men. It might conclude that specific genders are better equipped for handling certain jobs, gender bias. Understanding or detecting such biases is not an easy task, as the behaviors of AI systems is not simple or even rational. The reason behind their decision making is not easy, and in some cases, just impossible to understand. Many times, the programmers of AI systems themselves cannot explain the logic behind decisions taken by the AI systems.